Solutions. A solution is a mixture that is homogeneous at the molecular level. A solution is a mixture that is so well mixed that it is the same throughout, even down to the molecules. Yet, these molecules can still be separated physically. Most water is a solution because there are dissolved minerals in it. Companies dissolve particular molecules in bottled water to add flavor because pure water has no taste at all. When something goes into a solution, it mixes in. We call this dissolving. Salt dissolves into water to make salt water, which is a common solution. Another common solution is syrup. This is when sugar is dissolved into water. An alloy is a solution of two metals melted together. Non-pure gold, which is any gold that is less than 24 carats, is a solution of silver and gold. The solvent is what dissolves into the solute. In salt water, water is the solvent because it is dissolving the salt, where salt is a solute because it is what is being dissolved. Soluble is something that can be dissolved. Sugar is soluble in water. Insoluble is something that cannot be dissolved. Oil is insoluble in water. How much solute is dissolved in the solution is called concentration. A solution with more solute is more concentrated. Saturated is when a solution cannot dissolve more solute. It is full. Unsaturated is when a solution can hold more solute. It is not full yet. Supersaturated is when a solution has more solute than it can hold. It is overfull. The solution will eventually fall out of a supersaturated solution. This is when it settles out. Some examples include 100 milliliters of water can hold 40 grams of NaCl at 60 degrees Celsius. 40 grams of NaCl is saturated, full. 30 grams of NaCl is unsaturated. It can still hold more. 50 grams of NaCl is supersaturated. It has too much. If a solution is concentrated, you can dilute it by adding more solvent. Adding water to salt water dilutes it, making it less concentrated. Suspensions and colloids are mixtures that seem like solutions but are not. The particles are bigger and are not actually dissolved into a liquid. A suspension is a temporary mixture in which the particles eventually settle. Suspensions can be easily filtered. Silt in water, which is the dirt kicked up in water, is a common suspension. Colloids are a mixture that has large particles, like milk, mayonnaise, and egg whites. The particles come in clusters, not single molecules like in solutions, and they do not settle like in suspensions. Some colloids exhibit the Tyndall effect, which is the scattering of light as it passes through. Light scattering in fog is the Tyndall effect. A solution's particle size is molecular. It is the smallest. It does not scatter light, settle, or separate by filtering. Colloids are slightly larger in particle size than solutions. They are often found in clusters. Some of them do scatter light. They cannot be settled, and they cannot be separated by filtering. Suspensions. They are the largest particles and can often be visible in a solution. They do scatter light, they do settle, and they can be separated by filtering. This video is brought to you by Sydney Austin. The script for this video is brought to you by Ania Landry. And the pictures are brought to you by AJ Green.